Hello you guys, and dare I say Merry Christmas. I'm just kidding. I know it's too early, you guys, but if you follow me on Instagram or if you've been following us for a while, you know that Brad and I love Christmas, and so it is happening in our house. So I want to kind of rewind for you guys because it is November. We're like halfway through November, which is insane. Can you guys believe how fast this time of the year is going? I can't even like get over it because I want to enjoy it. I want to savor it, but time's going by so fast. And what's made it go even faster is the fact that we moved. We are in our house, which is so exciting, you guys. You saw that the floors got refinished, and then I kind of had to take a pause on those videos because I had some things and some collabs that I needed to do. Harvey's taking a nap, so if you can hear him trying to settle, I apologize. So the floors look amazing. I have yet to put down all of the trim. I've started, but nowhere near finished. But my husband has next week off, so we've got some projects going on, so it's very exciting, but I'll save that to the end to tell you guys more. So this video, I wanted to show you guys, we moved in, we brought all of our stuff from Canada. We had basically toys, kitchen stuff, and some rugs and furniture that we wanted to bring back. So that was done in one load. We got that over here and we felt so accomplished and so good, and we were so proud of ourselves. And I'll show you guys some of that footage here.
We're perfect!
Oh my gosh, this thing used to eat up Emmett's old room, and now we probably won't be staying here. That's crazy. You moved your arms.
No, because, yeah, it's more than enough room. Oh, there's a place lift it up!
And basically it ended up making the kitchen a disaster. And so that was a big kind of organization process, which, you know, we love that. So that went over really well. It only took like a little bit. It didn't take long at all to get everything settled, but we are missing some kitchen shelves and cupboards. So again, that's in a later video. So some stuff kind of just had to hang out for a little bit until we get that sorted. And then we went through and moved everything into the house. I didn't get much footage of that because it was insane trying to get everything here. You think we wouldn't have that much because we only lived at my mom's for a year. And so we were making like multiple trips in the car, and then moving day came and we thought, oh, this is gonna be easy, this is gonna be fine. But I didn't even think about all the things that my mom had and all of the kitchen stuff and how much that actually takes up. So anyways, we got all that here and we got all that settled. And again, there was a lot of organizing to do. So I'm gonna show you guys that. It's not completely done, but it's definitely starting to feel more like a home now. And so the main area that I was so happy to get cleared out was the foyer as well as the bedrooms. So I'll show you guys a little bit of before and after and some organizing for those of you who love organizing, because I know a lot of you guys do. I love it. It just makes me feel so much better. So let's watch that. So in the midst of all of this chaos of needing to put some trim up and organizing the house, we also were feeling the FOMO of not being able to decorate for Christmas. We normally do it on November 1st. And this year, I don't even think we got it up until like the first week, which I know sounds insane, you guys. I know that. But we definitely wanted to start. So we started with the Christmas tree and we just put that up quickly and then we all decorated together. It's interesting because we thought we had a lot of Christmas decor, and for this house, we don't. Like, there are so many spaces left that I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm already envisioning next year's Christmas just with the mantles and the garland that I want to get. You know, I want to do like the wreaths on the window because this home is Victorian and I just love that look, and all the white lights. We're hoping we can get the white lights up this year. We're not quite sure about the wreaths, but yeah, we've kind of tucked in Christmas here and there, as you guys will be seeing as I'm showing you right now, but there's definitely still spaces to be filled, and it's exciting because I'm kind of already finding like themes for the room. So this room, we're gonna keep kind of like the classic Christmas. It has all of our family ornaments on the tree, all of our favorites and our stockings, and it's very red and green. And then I wanna do the dining room as like a white neutral theme. I think would be really pretty. We need a tree for the landing. I'm like, we need trees for the bathrooms. The kids each have their own trees. We have our tree that still has to be decorated, but it's coming along and we're really, really excited. So that is it for this video, you guys. I kind of just wanted to get a bridge video, if you know what I mean, like fill in the gap, because I feel like I refinished the floors. I had those 2 videos that kind of just filled some space, and now I feel like I have a story to tell. I feel like I know where the trajectory is going to go, and so this was kind of just to fill that gap between the floors and where we're going next. So we've moved in, we have some Christmas up, and now we are ready to start some makeovers. So make sure you're following me on Instagram as well at Heart and Home Crew. You can see a ton of behind the scenes there, as well as I share reels on here that kind of also bridges the gaps of what's going on. Like I did the front closet makeover. If you missed that, make sure you check it out. That was super, super fun. I think it's so pretty and I love it so much. I mean, it's already become a bit chaotic just with general life, and life is chaotic right now, but yeah, it feels so good to have that done. But we are gonna be starting the kitchen makeover next, as well as the laundry pantry room. They're kind of all gonna be happening at the same time, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And yeah, we're basically just gonna start with the makeovers, you guys. It's so much fun because we just spent a ton of money fixing things you can't see. You guys, if you follow me on Instagram at Heart and Home Crew, you'll have seen that we have to do the foundation. We had to fix some ductwork, like the wrapping around it, because an animal destroyed it under the house. We have had electrical in here multiple times. We have had plumbing in here multiple times. We had to fix the plumbing from the house to the street because the pipes were original and they were basically deteriorating and causing water to back up into our house, which is obviously not what you want, but it's all fixed now, so that is good. So we just had a lot going on, and I'm just ready to get to the pretty. So make sure you're subscribed so that you guys can follow along as we transform this home, bring life back into it. We're so excited, and it already feels like home. Like the kids are so settled, we're so settled, we're loving it. So thank you guys as always for watching this video. I hope you guys are enjoying the holiday season. Happy Thanksgiving for those of you who are celebrating now in the States, and I will see you guys next Sunday with one of our first major makeovers. All right, bye guys. Guys, say Merry Christmas!